Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
It's a great day to do this job.
Well, I'm glad it's undercover. I stopped back there and put on my rain suit because I was like, oh, I'm sure it's gonna be out in the middle.
Nope.
No, you smart lady, got covered parking.
She tried to crank it up to 70.
These are fantastic cars too.
Yeah.
Toyota Avalon, super reliable.
'07. Beloved to pieces. This was my mom's car.
Oh, really?
She passed away, and
Oh.
we got a chance to give it to my daughter. So
I'm sorry.
thank you. Yeah, this was a diehard.
That you had in there?
Yeah, that's the one that I replaced.
Okay, that diehard came from well, it could have come from AutoZone.
No.
No, they come from,
I did Advanced Auto.
it's Advanced Auto Parts, yeah.
The yellow and red plate.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it then. I'm gonna go get the card and we'll finish that.
Yeah, you go ahead and do that. They're gonna send me a text message when you pay. I'm just gonna start replacing it. That way it'll be quick for you, okay?
Sounds good.
All right.
It's pouring down rain in here, Dad.
Okay.
It'll be fine. Once I replace the battery, that
Okay.
was definitely the issue. It'll definitely fix it and you'll be
That'll
fine.
be good to go. Okay,
All right.
all right, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. The only thing you've got left to do is start the car.
Oh, that's it.
That's it. You're good to go. You probably just go ahead and do it again. You got some fuel that when they sit for a while,
Yeah.
when they sit for a while like that, the first time you go to start it, the gas has to get up there. Battery's all secure. Is there anything else I can do for you, ma'am?
I think that's it. Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
You're welcome. You have a blessed day.